incredible food, historic temples, and ultra-modern cities. In Japan, having internet access as soon as you arrive can make your trip much smoother. So here's how to stay connected instantly with a Saily eSIM. Start by opening the Saily website or downloading the Saily app. To get the 10% discount, make sure to use the link in the description, the pinned comment, or the QR code shown on screen. These are the only ways to activate the promo code. Then create your account or log in. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're logged in, go to the list of destinations and search directly for Japan. You'll find several eSIM plans specifically designed for use in Japan, depending on how long you're staying. Next, choose how much data you need. If you mainly plan to check directions, use public transport apps, or send messages, a smaller plan might be enough. But if you frequently rely on maps, translation tools, social media, or photo sharing, it's better to go for a larger data plan. After selecting your plan, proceed to checkout. Before completing your purchase, don't forget to enter the promo code mentioned in the description in the dedicated field, so the 10% discount is applied automatically. Once the payment is confirmed, Saily will guide you step by step through the installation of your Japan eSIM. Just follow the on-screen instructions, then activate your line once you arrive in Japan to get connected instantly. No physical SIM card required. The link to access Saily and get the discount is available in the description, the pinned comment, or via the QR code shown on screen. The promo code only works when accessed through these options. And if you'd like to see my full review of Saily, the video currently appearing on your screen might also be worth checking out.